Hello and welcome back to our CIT 262 presentations. This is week 3, and again we're going over the DevOps Handbook. You may remember last week we saw this graphic, and we're going to be going over this week the second way here. And this our group is Brittany Herrera, Alexandra Lozano, and Eddie Pincay. So what is the second way? Well, it amplifies the feedback loops. It enables the reciprocal fast and constant feedback from the right to left throughout the value stream. And it makes our system works safer by creating the fast and frequent, high quality information flow throughout the value stream. It allows us to detect and solve problems while they are smaller and cheaper and easier to fix. Working safely within complex system, it defies any single person's ability to see the system as a whole and understand how all of it pieces together. So like someone who's done all things with building a home, they've done the plumbing, they've done the framing, they've done the roofing, they kind of get a big idea of how this house comes together. Well, usually though, there's a plumber, and then there's a framer, and there's a roofer, and they have different goals. And so when they come together, they have different things and different problems. So getting these feedbacks help people come together to create solutions to those problems. Seeing problems as they occur. In a safe system of work, we have to constantly test and design the operating system and how things get manufactured and everything. The goal is to increase the information flow in the system in as many areas possible, as soon as possible, as fast as possible, and as cheap as possible. By doing this, we increase our resilience and our agility and ability to learn and innovate. Feedback loops enable quick detection and recovery of problems. It's better to fix the problem as soon as it occurs in the local area than keep it going throughout the system and affecting other things. Swarm and solve. The goal of swarming is to contain problems before they spread and to diagnose them and treat the problem so that it cannot occur later. It enables learning and it prevents the loss of critical information. Swarming is necessary because it prevents the problem from progressing downstream, and it prevents the work center from starting new work. And if the problem is not addressed, the work center could potentially have the same problem in the next operation. So keeping pushing quality closer to the source. So in a complex system, adding more inspection steps and approval process increases the likelihood of future failures, which that might be different than what people think. And the effectiveness of approval processes decreases as we push that decision-making further away from where the work's performed. Anyone in the value stream needs to find and fix problems in their area of expertise as part of their daily work. All right. So Lean defines two types of customers, the external customer, the internal customer. All right, so those two, and then the most important is in the next step downstream. The external customer most likely pays for the service. The internal customer receives and processes the work immediately after us. Optimizing our work for them requires that we have empathy for their problems in order to better identify the design problems and prevent other problems. So in conclusion, creating the fast feedback is critical for achieving good quality, reliability, and safety in the technology value stream. And we do this by seeing problems as they occur, swarming and solving problems, and building new knowledge, and pushing quality closer to the source, and continually optimizing for downstream work centers. I hope these slides help explain a little bit about this second way. And if you want to provide any feedback or have questions, please let us know. Again, We enjoyed doing this presentation and look forward to the next one. Thank you so much.